recipe analysis and cross-contamination prevention. Welcome back. In our quest for allergen-safe food, let's talk about recipe analysis and cross-contamination prevention. These steps are crucial for any food businesses and food manufacturers. The first steps start with analyzing our recipe. Pinpoint potential allergen sources for each ingredient. If you have a specific target customer that focus on allergen-free claims, be sure to include allergen review when formulating the products or when changing ingredients. You must make sure that you declare the right product labels and your recipe are being followed to prevent allergen mislabeling or inaccurate allergen labeling. Remember, your customer depends solely on the allergen label to determine allergen presence. To prevent cross-contamination, adopt a strict routine. Enforce frequent hand washing, proper glove usage, and sanitization. Design your facility layout to minimize the risk of allergen exposure. Keep allergenic ingredients separate and establish clear protocols for handling them. For more tips like this, follow us on YouTube and Instagram channel. We have more food safety videos on our YouTube channel.